Hello everybody, this is Terrence Warren once again, and stepping away from Packet Tracer for a brief minute, because this particular lab, I could not find it in a Packet Tracer format. I couldn't find a Packet Tracer lab for the EIGRP Stub lab. So I, fortunately found a website that had a different network simulator of this lab. So we're going to step away from Packet Tracer and use this simulator to walk through the EIGRP Stub lab for the CCNP Route exam. So let's get started. Let's go through the instructions. And in the instructions here, we have by increasing the first distance office, JS Manufacturers has extended their business. They configured the remote office router R3 from which they can reach all corporate subnets. In order to raise network stableness and lower the memory usage and broadband utilization to R3, JS Manufacturers make use of route summarizations together with the EIGRP Stub routing feature. Another network engineer is responsible for the implementing of this solution. However, in the process of configuring EIGRP Stub routing, connectivity with the remote network devices off of R3 has been missing. So, with that being said, we're starting from R3, or router 3. Now, in this simulator, some of these commands are already pre-configured, so you don't have to type them. But regardless, just so you get in the habit of knowing that you still have to type these commands, we're going to click on the show run and config, command here. So we get a little bit of an output here. We see router EIGRP and the AS number 123. We see there's two networks, 10.0.0.0 and 172.16.0.0, and no auto summary. We see EIGRP stub receive only, so that has to come out. So okay, so let's go back, and now that we know what we have to do, so first router EIGRP 123. The next line, no EIGRP stub receive only. And I think I spelled that right. I think I spelled that right. And the next command should be either no stub. No egret said EIGRP stub. Alright, so we've got our three statements for this command, and it's not on here, but on the actual exam you're probably going to have to put in the exit command. Alright, so we're done with that part. Let's do a show IP route, and we're looking at our routes here. Alright, so now we're going to apply it to the interface. Interface what? Interface S00, which is the serial interface. And the command we're going to use here is one of the addresses from the IP route. You can go back and look, but just commit this to memory. IP address IP, I forgot something, summary address Alright. So I'm going to address EIGRP 123. Then we're going to put in the IP address 10.2.0.255.255.0.0. And okay, and those are all the statements. So let's see if I spell receive right, and let's see if I got it in the right subnet mask. And it is. So now this was a little bit easier than packet tracer because you had less to do, less commands to input because some of them were pre-configured. But just remember that in the actual exam, you have to type all these commands in yourself. So get familiar with this topology here, and get familiar and commit to memory these commands, even the ones you I didn't type on this particular simulator, but commit to memory these commands. And that does it for the EIGRP or EIGRP Stub lab for the CCNP Route command. I hope you grasp the concepts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Again, my name is Terrence Warren, CCNP Cisco Tutor Guy. Thank you for watching.